Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Previously, in my previous two videos, I told you that the price action of Bitcoin has moved at the support of the descending triangle, and from here, it can move up to break out this resistance of the descending triangle, and after that we will have another resistance of this $39,500. That is very strong price level resistance and the key level resistance as well. And in today's video, we will try to analyze whether the price action will break out this resistance or it will be moved down to hit this support zone again. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I've also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. And here you will also find a lot more other trading ideas I am sharing on the daily basis. Now, first of all, I want to show you this descending triangle as well. And previously I told you that the price action of Bitcoin is having very good support of $31,000 on the daily time frame chart. And so far we are not having any closing below $31,000. And on the long term, we have a very strong key level support zone and a critical support zone as well, because if it will be broken down, then a strong downtrend will be started after that. But this is really very strong support zone that starts from $28,000, $28,800 to $31,000. We can see that previously we had the low in the month of January 2021 here at $28,800. Here the price action found the support, moved to the upside again, retested this support of $28,800 here on 22nd of June. Approximately moved very close to this $28,800, even below than that, and moved to the upside. And at the same time, on the daily time frame chart, the price action has also formed this descending triangle, and we are also having this key level resistance at $39,500. And here I would like to suggest to you, because there are a lot of traders who are watching this breakout of the from this descending triangle on the small time period charts. Like, some traders are watching this breakout on the hourly chart, and some traders are watching this breakout on the 4-hourly chart. Let me just show you on the 4-hourly chart, and here we can see that we had the closing at $34,600. That was above the support. Then we had the closing at $34,400. That was above the support. Here we again had the closing above the support, but here we again had the closing at $34,121, and you can see that we have the closing approximately at $34,300. This resistance we have at $34,300. So we had the closing below the support, and here we again had the closing above the support at $34,900. And now at this time the price action is moving at $34,296. that is below the support. Therefore on the smaller time period charts, we can have some fake signals. Therefore, on the daily time frame chart, I would suggest you to watch this breakout on the daily time frame chart. Once we will have the closing above this resistance on the daily time frame chart, then after this closing above this resistance, we may have some retest, and after that the price action can move to the upside to break out the next resistance, the price level resistance of $39,500. However, after this breakout, our next target, if I place this trend line here up to this support and place this trend line here at the breakout point. For example, if the price action will break out from this point, then our next target can be approximately at $45,700 or $800. And if the price action will continue its move in the descending triangle, and if it will break out this resistance at from the tip of this triangle, then our next target can be approximately at $43,000. However, we can see that at this time the price action is struggling to break out. Once we will have the closing above this resistance of the descending triangle, then we can expect that the price action can further continue its move to the upside to break out the next resistance, the price level resistance of $39,500. Now I want to show you the volume. First of all, I would like to show you the volume profile that we have been watching in my previous videos, and I'm just going to place the fixed range of the volume profile on the complete price action. And we can see that still we have a very weak interest of the traders in this zone. Therefore, whenever the price action is moving in this area, it is moving to the upside, and this is the point of control of the volume profile. And you can see that the price line is continuously following this point of control of the volume profile. For example, here when the price action moved here, it moved back to this volume profile's point of control, and when it moved to the upside, again moved back to the point of control, and again moved down, moved back to the point of control, and again moved up and moved back to the point of control, moved down here at the support, and again after this bounce reached the point of control of the volume profile again, moved up again, and we can see that in this level, at this level, we have a very weak interest of the traders. Therefore, the price action is again rejected and moved back to this point of control, and again moved down to this support of $31,000. We had a very long spike where it did not have any closing below this level, and moved up. But this time the price action is not moved to this point of control, and this move is still due. Okay, here I would like to catch the new trend of the volume profile, whether it is giving us the bearish signals or the bullish signals. For example, we had the recent bounce first from here, and we did not retest this point of control. The price action did not reach up to this level. Now I'm just going to place the volume profile, the complete price action of this trend for after this bounce. Then we can see that now we have the point of control here, and the price action is moved up to this recent point of control that is leading the price action above the resistance. Let me place the trend line here. I'm placing this horizontal line here, and it will be more clear now for you. If the price action will follow even this point of control, we will be out of this triangle. And we don't need only to get out of this triangle, we need some further signals as well. For example, after getting out from this triangle, we will need the closing above the breakout point. For example, if our breakout point, the highest of this candlestick, like for example, if this will be the candlestick, the highest price of this candlestick is $35,300, then on the next candlestick we will need the closing above this level. That will be the final confirmation for the breakout. And further, we also need the volume as well. Like for example, at this time we can see that we had the powerful buying volume here, and I've also placed the volume oscillator here. We can see that the value of the oscillator at that time for sell volume, you can see the values here, was more than 40. And here we had the buying volume oscillator that was more than 12, and here we had the buying volume oscillator and the value was more than 17. So far, the buying volume did not cancel this sell volume. We need the powerful buying volume to change the trend on the long term as well, because this was the powerful sell volume that change the trend of the price action. And to change the trend on the daily time frame chart, at least, we need the powerful buying volume more than this sell volume. And this is a very good tool or signal or indicator that is available free of cost at the TradingView, the volume oscillator. And using this tool, we can measure the buying or sell volume, the power of the buying or sell volume. If you don't have account on the TradingView, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Now here I have also placed the MACD indicator as well, and we can see that it is completely in uptrend, and we have received the bull cross between the moving averages of this MACD indicator, and here you can see that it has turned strong bullish at this time. And we are also at the resistance of this triangle, and at the same time the MACD is giving us the powerful strong buying signal. And after first we received the buying signal here on 31st of May, and we can see at that time the price action rallied up to $39,500 approximately and moved down. And after this time, that was 31st of May, and now the price action after 31st of May, after that buying, we are receiving this second buying signal recently. That is today, that is on 28th of June today. And therefore it can be helpful for the price action, because previously when we received this buying signal, at that time the price action was here at the center of this triangle, But this time we are at the resistance of this triangle. Therefore, it is possible that it will be really very helpful for the breakout. So this is really very important movement at this time. The price action is trying to break out this resistance. We should keep an eye on the different indicators, like I am watching the volume oscillator as well, the MACD, and some other indicator as well. So these are the simple indicators you can use free of cost, available on the different platforms and especially on the TradingView. And I would suggest you to use these indicators, or if you have your own set of indicators you can use, because at this time use of these indicators will be very, very important and helpful, and it will help us to understand whether the price action is breaking out or it will be rejected by this resistance of the descending triangle. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon for more updates, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.